All right. So today, this shouldn't take that long, but this canister purge valve right here, I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to put a piece of billet plug in there. My camera's having trouble focusing today, and then I'm probably going to remove this cap, and I'm going to put a billet cap on here. I just feel more comfortable because this will never be used. So, because there's no emissions on this engine at all. So I'm just going to plug it off and then plug this guy off. And I'll come back with a video showing what it looks like when I'm done. Cool. All right, here we go. So this is where that evap purge canister was, or for the purge canister, which would have been gasoline vapors. And then this would have been part of your EGR return for the unburnt gases. And this is what the purge canister looked like. Just this guy, and I replaced it with that. And then this one, this is what it looked like. And I replaced it, as obvious, is this one. And this one was actually kind of tough to put in there. So, but I think that looks a lot better, a little cleaner. All right. And just know a lot of this is for me, the videos I do, just like documenting when I build stuff like this. So anyways, hope everybody's having a great day. Later.